So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with USD Coin here on at crypto.com. So once crypto.com's opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, either select on Bitcoin for me under favorites, or just go to the top left, press on buy. Then at the top search bar, type in ticker symbol BTC or Bitcoin, either one will work, then select on Bitcoin. So once you're on the buy Bitcoin screen right here, I want you to switch over from cash, which is currently selected for me, over to crypto. Now once crypto is selected, I want you to scroll down to where it says USD Coin, press on that. Now what you can actually do now, if you have USD Coin in your account, you can sort of see how much Bitcoin you can buy for how much USD Coin. So if all looks good, you want to buy a certain amount, go to the bottom, press on buy. For me it says insufficient balance, but that's where I would say buy, and then proceed with the transaction that way if you want to. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bitcoin with USD Coin on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.